Welcome, in front of me is an iPad mini from 2021, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. Now by default, I believe the toggle, oh, it actually might be here. Yep, it's actually here by default, so once you find it, you can simply click on this little circle right here, and this will start the countdown from 3. Now additionally, if this is not the default for some reason and you don't actually see this little record button right here, you can add it by going into the settings, and in here you want to find Control Center. And there we go, Control Center, and you should see it somewhere in here from the ones that are toggled off, and all you need to do is simply press on the plus button to add it. As you can see for me, it's right over here. So like I mentioned, click on it, it starts the countdown, and then you'll see that it's recording right here. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. That also includes things like games. You can launch games and start recording them. I'm just gonna let this load just a little bit so there is something to see. Okay, I guess that's good enough. So let's get it back down, turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. And from here, there we go, it flipped. From here you can go to the gallery application and you should find the recording somewhere here. Oh, okay, I'm in the... Let's go back. And I think there it is. So let's play it. So you can see this is the recording. And there we go. So that is how you record videos screen on this device, and where you can also find them once you've finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.